That's not a concept price. That's the confirmed target for Tesla's aluminum-ion battery pack, rolling off production lines in Nevada right now. The same chemistry the industry said wouldn't be commercial until 2030 is already hitting 100,000 units per month, with 500,000 planned within 12 months. How did Tesla compress a 5-year development timeline into operational reality, while competitors are still mapping out lithium strategies? And what's the unbelievable part that's forcing every automaker to recalculate their entire roadmap? Let's dive right in. Near Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory, there's a 120,000 square foot production floor operating in direct contradiction to what battery experts predicted just 18 months ago. This isn't a pilot program. It's a full-scale manufacturing operation, churning out 100,000 aluminum-ion battery units per month, with contracted scaling targets reaching 500,000 units monthly within the year. Chapter 2. Nevada Gigafactory's secret 100K units month. The machinery is running, the supplier agreements are signed, and the logistics infrastructure is built. What makes this significant isn't just the speed. Tesla deployed production technology the industry said wouldn't be commercially viable until 2030. They compressed a 5-year development timeline into operational reality. The dual-phase GigaCast system merges aluminum and steel sections in a single casting cycle, eliminating 43 weld points while increasing structural strength by 18%. Fewer failure points, faster assembly, and better safety margins, all achieved in one step that used to require multiple stations. The real breakthrough sits in details most overlooked. Chapter 3. Real-time viscosity magic. No one expected. Tesla's real-time viscosity modulation system allows molten metal flow to adjust mid-cast based on thermal feedback. The process adapts on the fly, self-correcting for temperature variations without stopping production. Industry engineers dismissed this as theoretically possible but practically unfeasible before 2030. Tesla made its standard procedure in 2025. Then there's the embedded wiring innovation. Tesla prints ultra-thin internal wiring directly onto GigaCast during molding. Chapter 4. Embedded wiring that slashes costs 62%. This cuts wiring length by 62% and eliminates a manual installation stage, requiring dedicated technicians and quality inspections. The wiring becomes part of the structural framework as aluminum cools. High-speed robotic arms swap tooling heads in 6 seconds, meaning 6 different Model 2 variants roll down the same line without downtime. The efficiency metrics reveal the magnitude. Cycle time dropped to 3.9 hours from 10.5 hours on the 2025 Model Y line, a 63% reduction achieved through fundamental process redesign. Chapter 5. Cycle time slashed 63%. Insane efficiency. Automated torque verification eliminates 97% of variance-related defects. The new electrolyte injection system simultaneously installs the cooling loop, removing an entire thermal assembly station. Stack these improvements together, and you get 2.7 times the throughput compared to Tesla's 2025 Fremont benchmark. If Tesla can engineer this manufacturing sophistication in under 18 months while managing Starship, Cybertruck scaling, and Optimus deployment, what does that say about their engineering capacity compared to traditional automakers refining lithium-ion for over a decade? Chapter 6. Why $1,999 is real cost, not hype. The $1,999 price isn't promotional. It's the actual cost structure Tesla engineered through systematic expense elimination. Start with raw materials. Aluminum ore costs $85 to $110 per metric ton. Lithium carbonate sits at $11,000 to $23,000 per metric ton. That's a structural moat built into the chemistry itself. Chapter 7. Aluminum versus lithium. Massive raw material edge. Cathode-grade aluminum refining requires 40% fewer thermal steps than battery-grade lithium. Tesla's cathode blend eliminates 3 high-cost additives, saving $60 to $90 per pack before assembly begins. The United States produces over 900,000 metric tons of primary aluminum annually, making domestic sourcing viable without international supply chain disruptions. Tesla isn't just building a cheaper battery, they're building one insulated from geopolitical risks that hammer lithium-ion manufacturers during supply disruptions. The manufacturing process compounds these savings. The aluminum-ion line replaces traditional slurry coating systems, requiring 5 to 7 stations, with a dry process needing just 2. Continuous flow electrolyte mixing pushes uptime from 68% to over 91%. Laser-printed circuits cut manual bonding by 96%, reducing defect scrap by 8% to 11%. Cell-to-act compression frames allow 3 pack sizes using identical tooling, cutting amortization costs by 30%. Tesla secured multi-year contracts with U.S. aluminum recyclers, providing 140,000 tons of post-industrial scrap annually, enough for over 3 million packs. Their Nevada plant recovers 78% of machining scrap versus 33% in typical factories. Vertical integration eliminates 6 to 8 markup layers, collapsing costs by 35% to 42%. Because aluminum ion avoids cobalt, nickel, and lithium, it qualifies for domestic manufacturing incentives worth $220 to $310 per pack. Operational tactics push costs lower through systematic gains. Autonomous shuttles reduce logistics costs from $22 to under $9 per pack. Predictive defect mapping cuts failure rates from 2.8% to below 0.9%. Chapter 9. Cross-business cost spread crushes rivals. Universal cooling plates increase batch production by 1.7 times while reducing thermal costs by $55 per unit. Assembly time dropped from 38 minutes to 21 minutes. Here's where strategy becomes impossible to counter. U.S. Utilities are adding over 15 gigawatt-hours of grid storage demand annually. Tesla spreads fixed factory costs across automotive, residential energy storage, and commercial backup systems, lowering automotive pack costs by 12% to 18%. The same cell chemistry runs in Model 2, Powerwall 2026, and Megapack Lite, 3 business divisions, 3 revenue streams, 1 production infrastructure. No other EV manufacturer has this leverage. Tesla didn't optimize one cost element. They redesigned every value chain component simultaneously: raw materials, processing, equipment, logistics, quality control, and market diversification. That's comprehensive system redesign executed with precision timing. The $1,999 price point fundamentally resets consumer expectation. Chapter 10. $1,999. Pack Forces Industry Recalculation. When cutting-edge aluminum ion costs under $2,000, that becomes the new benchmark. Anything above $3,000 looks expensive. Above $4,000 looks unreasonable. Tesla moved the market's reference point for acceptable battery pricing for homeowners in Texas, Florida, and California facing grid instability. A $1,999 pack brings whole home backup into the same price category as a high-end appliance. That's a purchase decision people make without extensive financial planning. EV resale dynamics shift when battery replacement drops from an $8,000 to $12,000 concern to a sub-$2,000 maintenance item.